around the next day. You can park your car there and it's quiet and you can hear the leaves in the trees. Normal service resumed. Right, here we are again. Let's get it open, get on with things. So I've just been in to see Richard to show him something, and he's given me this. Give me a sec. And this, avoiding me now. Right, this is from an engineering company up the road. Shout out to Bob at Apex Engineering. Has he put it on the back? No, essentially, they're great guys. Anyhow, look, I've got these. Oh, look at that little thing. They've given me these wooden thread turn screws. Aren't they gorgeous? Aren't they gorgeous? So what's going on? Oh, okay. No. Ah, that's the tap for cutting the thread. Oh, okay. Is that... Oh, blimey, look at that. Oh, my... Oh, I've got to show Robert this. They've made a little tiny... Oh, my life. That's beautiful. So you put a blank one of those in there and it creates the thread. That's brilliant. Oh, people. That's wonderful, isn't it? Oh, I like that. That's a nice touch. They've got a screw going across there, and to stop that from unscrewing, they've put or stop people messing with it, they've put a wire through it. Isn't that a good idea? Anyhow, what a little collection. That's great, isn't it? Cheers, Bob. Well, that's great, isn't it? Hours of fun. Hours and hours of fun making threads. I wonder what that's off. But that gadget is just... Robert would like that. What do you think, Robert? It's cool, isn't it? Oh, I love it. Oh. You engineer people. Talent blows me away. Oh, Robert, yeah, what goes on there? What's that there? Oh, that holds this in place. Oh, to hold the whole tool in place. Right, okay, there's the sharp edge tool. Right, okay, that locks it in place. That's brilliant. Brilliant. Right, put it away, get on with some work. I want to show you this. Let me just turn the music off because YouTube doesn't like copyright stuff. I want to show you this. Mrs H is having a clear out of some stuff and she gave this to me this morning. Oh, she didn't. She said, is this any good to you? To one of the girls. And I was just like, that looks nice. And then I said, that's Alcantara. That's green Alcantara. I said, where'd you get it from? And she said, oh, I got it from school. She said, I got a thing of fabric at school that they don't want, that they've sort of asked her to clear out and whatever. And I said, hang on. I gave you that. That's from Sea Line. And I can't show you just how bottle green it is. It's not coming up right. Anyhow, that was off the boats. It was an offcut. And as you can see, and that's a metre approximately. That's what's that? That's probably, there's a good, well over a metre square, 1200 square. I've got it back. How cool is that? There you go, it's rolled up now. Onto a cardboard tube, get rid of some of the creases, so that's done. Right, if you came to see me during the Biennale, the festival, if you came to see me about workshops, get in touch. Workshops are on. I have been doing them for the last 3 or 4 years. Come and get yourself a place quick, because some people are asking me. I'm flexible with the dates at the moment, with the times. It's weekly, afternoons or evenings. There's a couple of evenings you can't do now, but get in touch. Tell me what evenings you can do. Tell me what afternoons you can do. Get in, because if somebody else gets before you and it's suddenly, I'm doing Tuesday afternoons and you can't make Tuesday afternoons, then I'd rather 2 or 3 people being here at the same time, all learn together, not necessarily at the same speed, but all learn together and move forward together. Get in touch.